Rachel from A Sense of Calm. So today I just wanted to continue a little bit more along our journey of freeing up the voice by using another vowel sound. So today we're going to use the vowel sound oo. So it's chanted like this. Ooh. So just a few little hints. One is, imagine that column of sound there where the sound already is. And you're just going to open your mouth and bring the sound through. Drive the sound from the core muscles, no tension here. If you feel that you're getting tense here, stop and come in again when you feel ready. Imagine that you're sucking in the sound. Imagine you're inhaling the sound. Obviously it's going to be coming out of you with your breath, but imagine that you're inhaling it, because then you will get more of the vibration into the body and it has more of a healing effect. Okay, so let's chant through an oo sound all together. If you can, adjust the volume so that you can hear your sound and my sound at the same time, and then actively listen to both sounds without any judgment, but really actively listen to see what sounds you can hear within the sounds, etc. Because that will take you to a more meditative space. Because when you're listening actively to my sound and your sound, it's impossible for you to think at the same time. So it creates a lovely pause in the kind of incessant mind stuff. Okay, so let's chant through an oo sound all together to the very end of the breath. Try and keep going to the very end of your breath. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I hope you joined in. If you didn't, maybe play it back and have another go. But yeah, it's really good to get in touch with your voice. It's your authenticity, it's your power. Life is easier when you're in touch with your voice and you can speak up for yourself. So have a good day, TikTokers. Bye bye.